Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Boot a USB live session, try Mint Xfce, then choose Install when ready. Testing in live mode avoids accidental disk changes. Write the ISO image to a USB stick with Baelna Etcher or Rufus, set BIOS to UEFI or Legacy boot, and boot the installer. Choose Standard Install for a desktop system, create at least 20 GB root and a swap file for 2 GB RAM systems, or 4 GB RAM for smoother performance. Select your time zone, keyboard layout, and create a user account. Open the whisker menu with the super key to find apps and search quickly. Pin favorite apps to the panel or desktop for instant access. Use Settings Manager to configure display resolution, scaling, power management, and keyboard shortcuts, and set mouse acceleration or touchpad two-finger scrolling. Create and switch workspaces for organized multitasking, drag windows to edges for tiling, and press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open the terminal so you can run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade for system maintenance. Install apps with Software Manager for a GUI, with apt for terminal installs, or add Flatpak for sandbox packages like Spotify. Flatpak works via FlatHub when enabled. Enable Timeshift and save snapshots to an external drive to recover from broken updates or accidental changes. Schedule weekly snapshots and keep at least 3 snapshots. Use Driver Manager to install proprietary GPU drivers when needed. Enable the firewall with sudo ufwa enable, and review kernels in Update Manager before applying major kernel updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.